Good evening, everyone. Today, I am excited to introduce you to the Motorola Edge 60 Stylus, a smartphone that seamlessly blends innovation, performance, and style, catering to both creative minds and productivity enthusiasts. Design and display. The Motorola Edge 60 Stylus boasts a sleek and modern design, available in two elegant finishes: vegan leather, surf the web, and Gibraltar Sea. Its 6.67-inch POLED display offers a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, ensuring vibrant visuals and sharp details. With a 144 Hz refresh rate and 480 Hz touch sampling rate, users can expect smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. Performance and storage. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 chipset, paired with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. This configuration ensures efficient multitasking and ample space for apps, media, and documents. Stylus integration. A standout feature of the Edge 60 Stylus is its built-in stylus, housed conveniently within the device. This stylus supports AI-powered tools, allowing users to transform sketches into images, annotate photos, and utilize features like the Magic Eraser for seamless editing. Camera capabilities. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the triple rear camera setup, comprising a 50MP Sony LYTI-A700C primary sensor, a 13MP ultra-wide lens, and a 5MP macro camera. The front-facing 32MP camera ensures high-quality selfies and video calls. Battery and charging. The device is equipped with a robust 5000 mAh battery, supporting 68W turbo power fast charging and 15W wireless charging. This ensures prolonged usage and quick recharging times. Additional features. Durability. With IP69 water and dust resistance and MIL, STD, 810 military-grade certification, the Edge 60 Stylus is built to withstand various environmental conditions. Audio. Enjoy immersive sound with stereo speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos technology. Connectivity. The device supports 12 5G bands, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth version 5.4, and includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, a feature appreciated by many users. Software. Running on Android V15 with Motorola's Hello UI, users can expect a clean and intuitive user experience. Conclusion. The Motorola Edge 60 Stylus stands out as a versatile smartphone that caters to both creative and professional needs. Its combination of powerful hardware, innovative stylus integration, and user-centric features makes it a compelling choice in today's competitive smartphone market. Thank you. Please like and subscribe to our channel Jucter.